Hello, welcome back to PK Jaguar. Today we're checking out the Jaguar F-Pace 2-litre diesel 180. It's a fantastic car. The F-Pace is Jaguar's fastest selling car ever, so it'll be interesting to see what you think. It's been out for a couple of years now and been very successful. So let's show you around the car and what it's all about. Jaguar F-Pace has been so successful, it's only been out 3 or so years and it's sold more than any other model. It also won World Car of the Year 2017. As you can see from the exterior, it's a very sporty looking SUV. It's got great styling cues from the Jaguar F-Type. You can enhance the look with a black pack and also add on the side steps. The side steps can be electric deployable as well. The Jaguar rear looks very smart. It's got the rear spoiler, it's also got the exhaust to the far left being the diesel, and then on the back it's got the rear camera. As you can see, it's got the electric tailgate, which is also standard, and then the boot space is very practical. 650 litres of boot space, and with the seats down it's 1,740. The Ingenium 2-litre diesel 180 all-wheel drive is the most popular version sold, perhaps because of the price point or maybe the miles per gallon. It's very fuel efficient, and also servicing is every 2 years or 21,000 miles. For the rear of the Jaguar, you've got a great access height to just jump straight in. In the back, it's very roomy and spacious, with the lovely duotone leather that's perforated, and then you've also got the charging points, aircon unit, and you'll have access to the Wi-Fi, which is standard with a 4G SIM card. In the centre, you'll also have the armrest with the 2 cup holders. In front of the Jaguar, it's very luxurious and also sporty at the same time. The attention to detail is spot on, and the layout of the technology is refreshingly simple. Jaguar have now made the 10-inch Touch Pro standard, and it is absolutely brilliant bit of kit. You can see how it works. You've got the navigation, the media and the phone, and you'll also see you've got a few other apps on the other pages. Jaguar for the model year 20 have made Apple CarPlay and Android Auto a standard. can see you've got a SIM card. This is standard. This allows you to have a much more enjoyable experience. You'll have the 4G Wi-Fi connection, you'll have live traffic updates, and you'll have the internet browser as well. The driver display is quite basic, however Jaguar do allow you to upgrade this for roughly an extra £500, which is well worth the money. Big thank you for watching the video. If you haven't seen my other videos, you can check those out. But thanks again, and feel free to subscribe to stay updated with the latest.